today I'm making vegetarian momo featuring iskus, or we call it chayote in English. This is a regional specialty from the eastern part of Nepal, and I can't wait to show you how simple and delicious this vegetarian momo is. So first of all, we are going to grate our chayote. I am using a simple grater. You can use a food processor if that's what you have. Just remember there are some seeds inside which you need to take out. I'm not going to peel the outside skin, although some people do that, and it's completely optional. So I'm going to take the tops off. Then I'm going to cut it into half. See this seeds here? I'm going to simply take it out. And I'm going to use my grater and grate. So now that our squash is all grated, as you can see, I have created a little setup here with a cotton towel, like a kitchen towel. I also have a strainer because I'm going to now salt my squash. To give it a quick mix. And as you can see, I am wrapping the squash in a kitchen towel, and then all the excess liquid is going to be caught here. So we're going to let the grated chayote and salt hang out for about 15-20 minutes to draw the excess moisture. In the meantime, you can prepare the rest of the ingredients, chop your onion, ginger, all that. So it's been about 15 minutes and I'm going to check on the chayote here. As you can see, it's drawn quite a bit of moisture. I'm going to squeeze it out a little bit more. This is a lot of water, see? And it's really important that we do this, otherwise your dumpling is going to be really mushy, which is not what you want. So I am going to transfer the chayote in a bowl here. Alright, now is a good time to add the ingredients. So chopped onions, maybe a little bit more, a little bit of cilantro, then lots of grated ginger. Now once you add your aromatics, there are last two ingredients left, which is salt to taste, and then I'm going to add a little bit of ghee. You can do butter or oil if that's what you have on hand. The last thing left to do is to wrap our dumplings, cook them, and enjoy them. So I am going to use store-bought dumpling wrappers. If you want, you can use, you can make your from scratch. I also have a steamer basket here ready. This is what I'm going to use today, but you can pan fry dumplings if you like. It's a personal preference. I have a little setup here. So I'm going to take my dumpling wrapper. Then I'm going to just get the little edge here wet. Then I'm going to take about a generous, teaspoon. And I'm going to wrap it. There are different ways of making dumpling. This is how I'm making today. So the goal is to make sure everything is sealed. Okay, there you go. So now that all the dumplings are wrapped done ready, we are going to steam them. So here I've got my water boiling. Dumpling has been cooking for about 12 minutes or so. I'm going to take a quick peek and they look pretty ready. The thing left is to serve our dumplings. So got a bowl here. So I made tomato achar earlier and I'm going to serve with that. So here's the dumplings, or Iskus Momo, and here's my tomato achar. This is our Iskus Ko Momo. I hope you will give this recipe a try. I will link the written recipe from my blog as well as 5 different Momo achar recipes that you can try. If you enjoy the channel, please do subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys next time.